Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to allow Clipboard permissions on Google Chrome for a specific site. This feature is especially useful if you want to enhance your browsing experience by enabling websites to access your Clipboard. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Chrome browser. Begin by launching the Google Chrome browser on your PC. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Step 2. Open the site you want next. Navigate to the website for which you want to enable Clipboard permissions. Simply type the URL into the address bar and hit enter. Step 3. View site information. Once the site is loaded, look at the address bar. You will see a small icon next to the web address. Click on this icon to view site information. This could be a lock icon for secure sites or an info icon for others. Step 4. Open site settings. After clicking the site information icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various permissions for that specific site. Step 5. Adjust Clipboard permissions. On the Site Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Permissions. Here, locate the option for Clipboard. Step 6. Choose Allow Next to Clipboard. You will see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Allow. This action grants the website permission to access your Clipboard data, enabling features like copy and paste directly from the site. By following these steps, you can easily allow Clipboard access for any specific site in Chrome. This feature not only improves functionality, but also streamlines your interactions with websites that require Clipboard access. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching.